Hi, my name is Cecilia Tham. I'm a designer, a maker, an entrepreneur, but most excitingly, I am a future synthesist.
Initially, before I studied architecture, I studied biology, and I thought I was going to be this doctor and going to med school. That obviously didn't happen. And then I pivoted to study architecture. And I'm telling you this because one of the things that I find I'm applying a lot is bridging between these two worlds: the world of like the science, the rigor, the structure, versus the kind of abstract, designed, conceptual world. And so the word synthesis came from this part of it. So a lot of there are two parts of what we do at Futurity Studio. One part is analysis. So the word analysis means breaking things apart into bits and pieces and understand those bits and pieces, right? And synthesis is actually putting those parts back together, but in new ways, in ways that we have never seen before, creating something even newer. And so I've been looking for, so we came up with this title as a future synthesis because we didn't quite fit into kind of the futurist definition. Because we want to actively build futures. We are not theorists. We're not simply a forecast strategist. We really wanted to kind of apply the insights and build and proactively create futures.
It is a way to help envision the possibilities of what is to come and design solutions for a better future. I am one of the co-founders of Futurity Studio. We work with organizations like NASA, Alpha Telefonica, and UN World Food Program.
Experiences in the sense that a lot of what we do is based on a kind of what we have experienced in the past. So historical perspective, evidence. And back to this kind of bridging between these two worlds of aesthetic versus rigor, a lot of times is what we do is how can we ideate, or how do we be creative, but based on evidence. And so, you're bringing up an experiences, and a lot of what we do is kind of projecting how those experiences will be evolved in the future and how we can adapt to it. Because at the end of the day, what we're designing for is resiliency in the system. And so experiences is crucial. We're not, in a bubble. We don't live in a bubble. We live in, what we have learned in the past, and all of the legacy. And us in human, we operated with memories.
Never in the history of humanity has the world changed as quickly as it is changing now. Synthesizing future is our way of taking back control. It is a multidisciplinary approach that combines research, design, and strategy to build better futures 10, 50, or even 100 years from now.
So speaking about experience is one of the biggest things that I am postulating is in the advertising space, meaning that right now us human, we're kind of dumb, right? I buy things because I see a billboard and there's a pretty whatever packaging, and then I buy that, not really knowing if it's good for me or it's a good product. By proxy, we use brands as a way to know if it is a good product or not. But in this autonomous commerce space, if we have the machine in between, and the machine can really understand the ingredients, can understand where it's coming from, can understand the cost breakdown, can understand all of this complexity that me being a dumb consumer cannot, then advertising will completely change, right? They're not going to have pretty packages. They're going to really work on their product, and they're going to have some kind of credibility in their product breakdown.
Learn the tools to navigate through uncertainties so that we can design and build better futures together.